Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to change languages in chess.com. Now, if you want to change the chess.com language, which is by default in English, to your own native language, it's actually pretty easy. Of course, you need to be signed into your chess.com account. And once you are in the home screen, you want to look towards your left hand side, lower left corner, and click on the cogwheel icon like so. And this small pop-up will appear. I want you to click on all settings. There you go. And once you are here on the settings page, you want to click on profile over here. Right? So once you are in your profile, I want you to scroll down until you see the details section. Now, under details, this is where you can change your last name, first name, location, country, and of course, the language. So if you want to change the language from English, say, to French, you can just do that. There you go. And then just click save. There you go. It says French. There you go. It is now changed to the language that you have set after changing it from the default, which is English. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.